Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing NAS100, Eurgbp and US30. So before we get into the video, please hit the subscribe button below. I really appreciate it, and you can share this video with your friends. Okay, so last week I shared a signal for NAS100, and as you can see, it's still pushing to the upper side up until right over here. So currently I think the setup is complete because we are already on the third touch on our trend line. So let me remove this. So if you want to see how we got the signal, you can watch last week's video. So yeah, as you can see guys, already I've laid out my levels and everything. So here we have the first touch, second touch right over here, and this is our third touch. So there's a possible movement that we could see NAS100 pushing from this point right over here to the downward side, but we don't really know for sure that's the case. So we are still on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, I've been waiting for this touch right over here so that we can enter our seller trade ourselves. So, but remember guys, there's a possibility that NAS100 can push to the upper side and decide to go right over here. So this is a two-way situation. So let's look what's really going on. Now let's extend this trend. Okay. All right. So this is what we have. This is a pattern, but we already know. Wait, let me see. Let us go back to the daily time frame. Okay, let's zoom out. So on the daily time frame, this is what we have. Remember, we had some situation like this. Okay, from this point right over here, sorry, from right over here. See, so this is the kind of situation we had. So let me try and connect those points correctly. Yep. So let me change this to a line. So currently, we already knew that on NAS100, this is what we have. So we already get from this point here, we are going to the upper side. But now we can see a trend, a pattern, changing the direction of the overall. So we can see here we have our third touch. So it's either going to downward side or we are going to push the upper side up until here. But as you can see, the market, I don't think the market will push to the upper side. So let us keep on analyzing. Let us go back to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is what we have. So this is a two-way situation. So it's either you're going to place our pending orders right over here on this line right over here for the sellers up until here, and this is going to be our stop loss right over here. So we're going to place a pending order. Guys, please listen to me. We are placing a pending order, not opening the order. Use sell stop right over here with this one right over here. And because this is a two-way situation, because the market can push you downward side up until here. So the only way you can confirm is when the market touches this area and closes below it. That's when you're going to say you're going for the sellers. But if not, you're going for the buyers. Because as you can see a push to the upper side, a little bit of back testing here or retest, and you can have a push to the upper side. So, and you can, if you see this movement happening here, of this movement, a push to the upper side like this. So, and again, you're going to place two pending orders, another one right around here, and then this will be your stop loss right over here, and overall take profit right over there. So this is how we're going to trade this. This is a two-way trade situation, but because it's either the market is going to respect the huger pattern or the pattern formation, and I can't say and as you can see, NAS100 has been falling, so we don't really know what's going on. But let us keep on waiting to see what's really going on. So on this one, guys, please place pending orders. Do not enter those trades. So, but I told you guys, if you see a push to the upper side and have already placed your pending orders, actually, if one pending order opens, delete the other one, then you'll be safe. So let us move to Eurgbp. Okay, so now we are on Eurgbp. So yeah, so as you can see, the market has been pushing to the upper side, and from this point right over here, decided to push it downward side up until here. So I guess this is quite obvious. Okay, so on Eurgbp, there's not much I can say with it, but as you can see from this point right over here, the market has been pushing to the upper side. So the market already now is pushing to the upper side, sorry, to the downward side, and now it's pushing to the upper side. But as I look at it, I think there's a retest before we hit this area again. So on Eurgbp on the 4-hour time frame, this is what you have. So as you can see, this level is quite important as well. So the market is retesting this level right over here before it pushes to this other level. How the market could create a situation like this, some sort of push the upper side and a strong weak to downside, and this kind of movement could happen. You know, it will be this kind of movement, but for now I'm seeing a retest on a downward trend. So you're not going to trade against the trend, but you're going to flow with it. So as you can see, if I try to do this, there's nothing much happening. So let's move to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now we are on the 1 hour time frame, and this is what you have. So not much is happening right over here, but as you can see, we don't really know if the market will be able to push to the downside. So also here, we're going to place a pending order around this area here, and this should be a stop loss right over here. Let's move back to the 4-hour time frame. So if this is really a retest, this is the kind of movement we should expect. But if you see Euro GBP pushing to this area here, this means the signal is validated, but will be safe because there won't be any open positions. So let us hope for the best. Let's just hope this is a retest, and then you're going to push it downward side. So the best way is to enter around this area here. So because from this point here, we should expect a strong momentum push like this pushes right over here, a push to the downward side like this, you know. So yeah, so this should be a first take profit around here, second take profit here, third take profit, and that'll be all for Euro GBP. Let us move to US30. Okay, so now we are on the daily time frame on US30. So if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, so I guess if you watch my videos, you know how we did this. So as you can see right over here, you're on the daily time frame, and it seems like US30 is breaking out of this area right over here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to find it in more detail. Okay, so this is what you have. So to be honest, I don't know what's going on right over here. Let us keep on analyzing. Yeah. Okay, this is what you have. Spread right over here. This is what you have. So let me change this to dotted line. Okay. So As you can see, USD seems like it broke out of this pattern right over here. So on it, and I can see a little bit of free test going on right over here. So for US30, I'll say, and we are already on top of this trend line. But the thing that confuses me the most is because of this rejection to the upper side, to the buyer side. So for me, this is a buy, a complete buy. Let me use this one right over here. Yeah. For me, I see a beautiful buy setup right over here, but uh, there's a lot of rejection happening right over here. I don't understand why. There's no reason for that, but let us enter it on this level right over here. Look at this, guys, on top of the rejections. You get what I'm saying? This is a breakout level for the retest. So we are going to buy it up until right over here. So this is what we have on US30. It may push it upper side up until right over here and touch the trend line. Or if it is not going to push it upper side, it will respect this trend line again as it did around this area here. But let us hope for the best for this coming week. This is what we have on US30. Yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.